Did you know that the color of a flamingo's feathers is a veil of truth about its diet? Flamingos are naturally gray, but their pink hue comes from carotenoids in the algae and crustaceans they eat. The more vibrant the pink, the healthier the flamingo. This quirky fact reveals how diet can literally color an animal's appearance, making flamingos a living canvas of their eating habits. Next time you see a flamingo, remember you're seeing its menu. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.